This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, September 21st, 2012. It's now time for the first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. A pretty deep trough moving into the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, with energy coming around the center up in western Ontario. And with that, a frontal system will be coming down, bringing some showers during the first half of the day, maybe into the afternoon in the far northeastern counties, with temperatures fairly cool in the 60s and 70s, but it's really going to be very cool on Saturday. Another spoke will come through Friday night into early Saturday, and Saturday it'll be fairly breezy and cool, highs in the 50s and lower to mid-60s. Sunday it warms up though, back at least into the upper 60s to lower to middle 70s, warmest west to coolest east. Could see some frosty conditions in the northern and northeastern counties of the state. We'll watch that. Monday, winds switching to the south and west behind a high pressure that'll be located between about Evansville and Louisville. So some moisture will be to the south, but it looks to remain mainly sunny and dry. Tuesday, GFS wants to bring some precipitation around. It looks like if it's going to be any, it's going to be very widely spaced. Otherwise, mainly sunny and highs in the 70s. But here comes another frontal system diving down from the north here on Wednesday that could bring some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, with high pressure coming in from the north and west, temperatures remaining in the 70s at least. Thursday, we could see it's gauche cooler, maybe upper 60s to lower 70s as that front begins to dissipate just to our south. And here on Friday, a week from today, we have pretty much the main storm track back to the north again, but some energy still in the Midwest and in the Southwest, and that frontal system will be beginning to push back to the north and could bring some scattered showers into the southwestern counties, with the main moisture access well to our southwest, with a possible tropical system coming northeast. A couple days later, on October the 2nd, main storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border, with a bit of a broad trough over the northern tier of the country, with some energy just to our north. That could bring a low pressure system just north of International Falls, a frontal system just to our east with some showers and maybe a few thunderstorms there. Otherwise, it looks to remain seasonal, maybe a skosh below that, with 60s and 70s. And a couple days later, at the end of the forecast on October the 6th, storm track now to our north and west, still pretty much zonal. Bit of a ridge over the south and east, or a weakness out into the Atlantic, and that could be a tropical system out there, or a hybrid. Around here we could have a cold front coming in from the north and west that could bring some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two, and otherwise some seasonal conditions in store in October. The satellite image from last evening showed some high and mid-level cloudiness coming down with this system. There's some few scattered showers with this. They'll be widely spaced. Rainfall is going to be pretty light, as you'll see in a minute. The watch warning map, though, is one of the quietest it's been in several months. Some air quality advisories down in Texas, some air quality alerts out in Washington and Idaho, with some wildfires and smoke that are in that area, and elsewhere it's quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing any rain that falls around here, maybe about a tenth or a quarter of an inch or less, heaviest over the Great Lakes and into New England and over South Florida.